Yes, 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 yes. You know, all want to know what 10 Star doing? Yes, yes, yes. I'm in the kitchen whipping up something which is finger licking. Something where most of them vendetta jockstrap sniffers they can't do. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not that about it. But all of the skillibeng detractors may have something for you this morning. You see what I say? The world boss say world boss come out and make people know say right now, skillibeng, tech trap, music, international, and you don't have no debate that about it. You don't have no argument that about it. First, you can go watch the material evidence and see where I do to big international UK. You see what I say? So, you know, we see and know, so well, then no lollipop thing, no dead about it. And for all of the skillibeng detractors who come out and want to talk about them not feel him music, him not this and him not that. You no need for correct on yourself right now. Because see him how need come out and tap on the voice big and bold and I say him nah this and him nah that and them shit there. I wanna see the explosion war go on in a London. Is it fair for me to tell all of you that a skillibeng take trap dancehall international? You need to come out, come make the public know that, you know. No gimmicks thing not that about it, you know. Because they look at trap music, them will burn up Jamaica and burn up the Caribbean, you know, rate it. You see what I say? So, I not see why, you know, you not go come out and make men and people know say skilly take trap international. No gimmicks not that about it, you know, make me step on things first, because I know my role, me a concrete stepper of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on, you know, carefully, you know. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10 Star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent, you know, a full effective man. You don't know what go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me no man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube international business. Watch. Yeah, you know, a Gaza will represent the ain't no other way. We never need the world boss to come out and say that. But you see, for a man like the world boss come out and say that, you know it gone worldwide. Everybody see the material evidence and some people want to sit down on the truth and chat all type of fuck with. Now chat about the show them what the youth are destroyed. Talk about what him a do. You know not talk about what him a do. Him take trap dancehall international. No joke thing not about it. And if you don't believe a joke and still want to hold on upon the youth credit, wait till when them drop in America. You know see. You know see the catastrophe come now go like say that's some form of lollipop thing. Yo, the youth take track dancehall international, member brick pan brick you know. Member you know brick pan brick you know. Go billboard you know. Pan album you know. The man produce you know. But it's billboard. You see me brick pan brick, pan album. What people produce. So I don't want to feel like some no gimmicks thing or no joke thing not about it. I'm international. You see me? And from the big bad crocodile teeth go drop, you know, the rest of history. Is what I say? The people them can't wait for see him. We need to already see how the international artists them did a rock over crocodile teeth, you know. Everybody see that, you know. They can't go like a lollipop thing, you know. You see how much rap artists and them thing they come and I make and I represent for crocodile teeth, you know. Till the big diva, you know, Nicki Minaj, you know, run on the track, you know. The Germans and the rest of history, you know. How much rap artists, you know, you see a rehearse it. How much rap artists you see on the internet are singing. Now, gimmicks thing not that about it. Wait till when them put him bomb boy in America, you know, you see something here. Yeah, so all you go like you know want hold back on the youth glory. No, come out, come talk. And tell the people them say right now, uno never like the song them locally, but right now the song them gone internationally. You see what I'm saying? Cause uno see say the whole crowd are sing the man song them. You see what I'm saying? Line for line, verse to verse. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see me? The last thing him drop, uno say a shit. And all the international, all the ladies them all over the world, all them dep on whop. And Skilly, when you come to America and you perform, I tell you, make sure you put Slappy in it. Make sure you put Slappy in the lineup of your song them. You hear me? Make sure you put that song there in it. Remember America you there. Nobody no really like them thing they like Americans, you see what I say? So make sure you have that. You see what I say? In the lineup of the song them where you drop. The Slappy business. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I really think me I talk, man, I tell you no foolishness, no gimmicks no there in my game. We not deal with lollipop thing, you see what I say? Yeah man. No joke shit not there about it. Your nation people, you don't know. We are not iron chef, we are steel chef, we're tougher than iron chef. You see me, a long time we are cook. Iron chef have to go school for learn for cook, you know what I mean? Steel chef learn for cook verbally. From the age of 9, 10 year old, we're tougher than iron chef. We cook shit when they're on the menu. You see what I say? We make menu. We're not up on the resume. You see what I say? And when people eat it, what? Not even the plate you have to wash out, two of them deal with it. Two people deal with it. I'm tell you man, you have to have the spice in your nails them. It's all about mama's cooking. We are talk about. You never hear Merciless are the greatest and everybody have to confess. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. But what I say, Skilly, take trap music international. And a whole heap of man a ball and I say, well then, very about the trap music, very this, that. And very, yeah. It's only it's only right about now for Skilly drop the album. You hear the people them tell us a whole heap of international collab man. It's only right now. So when Skilly drop the album, the song them it big and crazy and the mystery solve right there. The mystery I go solve right there. You see what I say? Yeah. And for uno, look at jockstrap sniffers when my ear I talk about uno want for talk about yeah, alkaline do a great thing because him keep a young youth when I ever reach 38 and him keep him sure down in Miami and it shot. Of course it's supposed to shot. But nobody not talk about no show business. People are talk about music, what the music a bring you. Remember him keep him own a show, you know, so it's okay if him shell it, it's okay if him fan base turn up. And it's a good look for him. But we are talk about what the music a bring you, what the music a do. You see what I say? So you cannot talk about alkaline show for Itchy Man and skillibeng success. A total fuck with that. You see what I say? Yeah man, no joke shit not dead about it. No come reason with man like that. Me no know what kind of argument you know start up or so on go on, you know. You know what I mean? Give them youth him credit because him do it, my brother. I only that and the worst and most of all only that downgrade him. Most of uno. You see what I say? So no man no come change him out and think him can chat a whole heap of bass about you and talk no fuck with. The world boss come out on him IG and make people know say right now Skilly take trap music internationally and a real truth. The material evidence there in front the whole of our eyes to see that. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. I tell you already say brick the pan Billboard chart. You see what I say? It hit Billboard on an album. No joke shit not dead about it. I'm not have to tell you about crocodile teeth because you know a worldwide thing. You see what I say? No joke shit no better about it. And me no know to the O, to the way, oh wap wap wap. I deal with stage show. I don't surprise if Skilly go and do the remix with an international artist because the people them love it. You see what I say? You can't hide that the material evidence there for sure. You know what I mean? Show your way it do to the UK. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not there about it. So this are art for all of the detractors them. Una claim say una want to be fair. I wanna claim so when I clean to music. I mean hear enough boy you know. I run on you know. And I talk about them not lovers of man, them are lovers of music or whatever. But I tell you something. I may bring them style to YouTube. You see what I say? Yeah, so not because some boy say terror than I use it and I run and I follow. Terror than you legal for use my style because I'm a junglist. I will say junglist life. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. I won't betray and I steal your wife. But here what I say. That ungo legal to terror than because I'm a junglist. So all I wanna jack strapper will use it and I try stop it, you hear me? A 10 star bring that to YouTube and I have no argument. I wanna bring to YouTube and I nothing but some followers, my brother. So when I talk about no lovers of man, no lovers of music. Show me how you love music. Make sure when you come out, come make the people them know say skillibeng bring trap music international. Or the general, you know, the 10 star one I represent. You don't know. Me in the kitchen and whip up things with finger licking. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. A 10 star general. Watch.